Hello, dear students. How are you? I hope you will be fine. I am also fine. Once again, I welcome you on my channel. Students, if you want to make maths easy for you, quickly subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon so that you could get all the notifications of my latest videos. Students, as you know, in these days we have started chapter number 2 and the current exercise is 2.6. In question number 5, the statement of the question is calculate part A z bar. Part B, these we have to find. Part B is z plus z bar. Part C, z minus z bar. And part D, z into z bar. For each of the following. Students, in question number 5, we have 4 parts. And out of those 4 parts, we'll do part number 3 today. Students, let's start. In part 3, we are given the value of z. Z is equal to 1 plus iota over 1 minus iota. Out of this complex number, we have to find the values of A, B, C and D parts. And first of all, we have to find part A. In part A, z bar, we are required to find z bar is equal to the value of z. Will put bar on the whole value 1 minus iota, 1 plus iota over 1 minus iota whole bar. So students, as you know very well, if we put bar on any number or any group of numbers, as you can see, this is a complex number, so the signs of the iota or the imaginary numbers would be changed. So this bar will be applied on the numerator and the denominator both, and their imaginary parts, the signs of their imaginary parts would be changed. 1 minus iota in place of plus iota over 1 plus iota in place of minus iota. So we have changed the signs to remove this bar. So students, now we have to rationalize to solve this complex number. So in the next step, we'll repeat this step, and the denominator of a fraction is multiplied and divided by the whole fraction with the change of sign. It is 1 plus iota, we'll write 1 minus iota over 1 minus iota. So students, now we have done the method of rationalization, and in the next step we'll multiply these two fractions. Numerator will be multiplied by the numerator and the denominator both will be multiplied with each other. You have to be very careful while writing the signs. Sometimes we make a little mistake and it becomes worse. It can incorrect your whole question. So students, next we are at the moment finding A part z bar. Z bar is equal to, look at the numerator, both of these brackets have the same terms and same sign, so we can write its whole square. 1 minus iota square, 1 minus iota square over these two also have the same terms, but there are different signs. So students, we will apply a different formula here. You know the formula a plus b into a minus b. I will write for you a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So in the same way, we have to apply this formula upon these two. So we'll get square of first term 1, square of 1, and minus square of second term, which is iota. We'll write square of iota. So applying the formula on the numerator, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So students, this formula will apply on the numerator. So first of all, we'll write square of 1 minus 2 into first term 1 into second term iota plus second term, square of second term iota square over square of 1 is 1 minus iota square. Will remove brackets. Next, square of 1 is 1. Multiplying these three, will get 2 ones are 2 minus 2 iota plus square of iota will be iota square over 1 minus square of iota, students, we know is equal to minus 1. So in place of iota square, we'll write minus 1, and look at this, 1 will be written as it is, minus 2 iota as it is, and plus in place of iota square, we'll write minus 1 over 1. Solving these, multiplying inside the bracket, minus minus is plus 1 is equal to 1 minus 2 iota plus minus minus 1. So students, 1 plus 1 is 2, and this one, the sign of this number 1 is minus, and the sign of this number is not written. That means its sign is plus. So plus minus, same numbers are cancelled. So minus 2 iota over 2 will be cancelled. 2 will be cancelled in the numerator, and the denominator, same numbers are cancelled. So we'll get minus iota, the answer of this part. Students, we have found the answer of A part, means Z bar. This is the value of Z bar. So next we'll do part B, students, Z plus Z bar. So we'll erase. Students, we are going to do Z plus Z bar. This is B part, and we have the values. Students, we got the value of Z bar is equal to minus iota. So students, in first part or A part, we have found the value of Z bar, which is minus iota. So that minus iota will be used in B part. So first of all, we'll write equal sign, and we'll write the value, the given value of Z 1 plus iota over 1 minus iota. And secondly, we'll add, as according to B part, we'll write the value of z bar. So we'll put a bracket to write minus iota in place of z bar. So students, now we'll start solving. 1 plus iota over 1 minus iota will be written as it is, and opening the bracket will get plus minus minus iota. So these are a type of two fractions. So there is no denominator under iota, but we know that if there is no denominator written, we must be clear that it has a denominator which is 1. So putting an equal sign again, we'll find the only denominator we have got will be the LCM. 1 minus iota will be the LCM, and LCM is cancelled by the denominator, and 1 plus iota will be written in the numerator, and minus sign is between these two brackets. It will be written here as there is no denominator except 1. So we'll directly multiply this LCM with iota. 1 minus iota. So we'll solve in the next step. We are finding z plus z bar is equal to 1 plus iota, opening this bracket and multiplying minus iota inside the terms. Minus iota, ones are minus iota, and minus minus plus iota into iota is iota square, divided by 1 minus iota. So students, this is plus iota and minus iota will be cancelled, and 1 plus iota square will be left over 1 minus iota. So here students, 1 plus into, in place of iota square we'll write minus 1 over 1 minus iota is equal to 1 minus 1 over 1 minus iota. 1 minus 1 is cancelled, we are left with 0 here. 1 minus iota as it is, and anything divided by or multiplied by 0 becomes 0. So the answer of this z minus z bar, z plus z bar is equal to 0. So the second part or B part is done. So next we'll do C part, students. In C part there is a subtraction sign between z and z bar. So let's do it. Students, in C part we have to find z minus z bar. So we'll write equal sign. First of all, the value of z is 1 plus iota over 1 minus iota, and the value of z bar is minus iota. We'll write in bracket minus iota, and in the same way we did in part B, we'll open the bracket minus minus plus iota, and as I told you, there is a denominator under iota, so we'll write LCM 1 minus iota. The only denominator is 1 minus iota. So students, LCM and denominator of the first fraction is cancelled because they are same, and only the numerator is left behind to write here. plus sign between the fraction, there is plus sign. So here 1 minus iota, which is LCM, will be directly multiplied by the, because the denominator is 1 here, so 1 minus iota will be multiplied by iota. So in the next step, students, 1 plus iota plus, now iota will be multiplied by the terms inside the brackets. Iota 1 iota minus iota square over 1 minus iota. 1 plus 2 iota, they will become minus iota square will be minus 1. The value of iota square will put the value of iota square 1 minus iota, and again equal sign 1 plus 2 iota, 1 minus plus 1 over 1 minus iota as it is. These two, they are having plus signs, so we'll write here 2 plus 2 iota over 1 minus iota, and we'll take common here. 2 will be taken common. 1 plus iota is left in the bracket and divided by 1 minus iota. Students, here again we'll do rationalization. 1 plus iota over 1 minus iota, the denominator, by changing the sign of imaginary number, will multiply and divide with this fraction 1 plus iota. So we have a space over here. We can do the rest of the steps. 2 as it is, and numerators will be multiplied by the numerators, as well the denominators 1 minus iota into 1 plus iota. So these two are the same, so we can write it in square, and these two are same also having different signs, so we'll apply the formula square of first term minus square of second term. 2 into 1 plus opening the square of this number, 1 square of 1 plus 2 iota plus iota square over square of 1 is 1 minus iota square. 2 into, here students will get square of 1 is 1 plus 2 iota plus, in place of iota square will write minus 1 over 1 minus square, in place of iota square again will write minus 1. 2 multiplied by 1 plus 2 iota plus minus 1, these two will be cancelled, over 1 minus plus 1, these two will be added, will get 2 iota in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. These two will be cancelled and will get 2 iota as our answer. So the answer of the C part is 2 iota. In D part, we are having D part is equal to Z into Z bar. Putting the values 1 plus iota over 1 minus iota multiplied by, we have minus iota. The value of Z bar is minus iota. This minus iota will be multiplied by the numerator, minus iota into 1 plus iota over 1 minus iota is equal to, iota will be multiplied by the terms inside the bracket, minus iota minus plus will get minus iota square over 1 minus iota. So students, minus iota minus in place of iota square will write its value minus 1 over 1 minus iota. Minus iota minus minus plus 1 over 1 minus iota. Students, look at this. If we change their place, 1, it will become 1 minus iota over 1 minus iota. Both are same, will be cancelled and will get answer 1 of this part. Students, I hope you have understood the method of question number 5 and all these parts A, B, C, D very well. And if you like the method of my teaching, students, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon to get the notifications of all my latest videos. Students, that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.